basically you pull down this lever and this thing goes down, pull it back up, this thing goes up, and it can prevent unwanted vehicles from entering the base. Welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force. I'm CraftyFoxe, and today I'm at my new military installation right here. I just built this in Warp Sandbox on Foxshot. Brand new world for trainees to build in. Basically I want to keep this area secure, so I just built this perimeter fence and I added this security bollards in the front of it. So basically these things are actually retractable with this lever right here. So I can pull this down, pull it up, see, it moves like that. And originally when I built this, I wasn't intending it for it to be redstone, but I figured why not? So Tigahz actually came up with a design to move the pistons up. It's actually quite a simple design. So I can have like a little security checkpoint, and I got this idea, you know, off the World Trade Center, how they have those security barriers. Oftentimes you have this around federal buildings, and here is the basic design of it. You just pull down this lever and it just moves the barrier up and down to let vehicles in, or if you don't want it in. Tigahz came up with this pretty easy system. I thought it would be really complicated, but it's not. You're just adding a little staircase down, goes down like that. These repeaters, you don't really need them, but these ones you do, and they basically face the pistons and they push it up. And if you pull it, they push it down. Now I actually messed with this a little more. You can do it even more compact design. So this is the one I came out with. We just go down like this, and it just goes to the repeaters. And I also made it so it's one of those wedge-shaped barriers like that. So you can actually have a whole wall of them. Now one thing I figured out when I was building this, you can't exactly put a block here, because if you do, it kind of messes up. It doesn't connect anymore. So make sure that block there is going to be either a slab or a stairs. So I will put a stairs like that, and then, you know, it's all still connected. All right, so right now we are in Warp, Iraq. We have a military installation here. And what I want to do, I want to install a front gate to secure it. So basically what I want to do is have like these kind of ramps that go up like this. Maybe make 2 of them like that. And I want to basically lower it and raise it up. Maybe we'll just make it like a huge one like this. But actually maybe it might be better if it's 2 separate ones, so we can have a wider area. Alright, so I think I'll just have this design here. And actually do want to have maybe smooth stone blocks around it. Just like that. So it looks like it's all structured. And now let's go underneath it. Delete these blocks. Delete all these blocks underneath on both sides like this. We're going to excavate the ground underneath it. 2 blocks down like this for both of them. And that's because we need to add in the sticky piston. Now it's important to note this is when it's fully extended. So when it retracts, this stairs goes down here. So make sure you're placing a piston, a gap of space like that. All right. Then I'm going to have redstone repeaters. They're just going to go face towards each of these pistons. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Make sure you're using sticky pistons. If you use regular pistons, it'll just get stuck. So yeah. Once you do that, you want to connect both sides together with redstone. So make a little cave going along here, redstone dust, like that, and the other side like this. Alright, so once we have that, we need to have the control station, so I guess we're going to use this thing for the control, and I'm just going to use a lever right here. And the thing about this system is that we do need to have a slab to actually activate it. Not a regular block, because apparently that breaks the circuit. So first of all, if that sounds confusing, we'll get to that later. We just need to connect this together and hook it up. So basically, I don't know, we can go down here. Looks like it's already connected. Now, the thing I was talking about, the slab, we'll need to put the slab here. Because if you put a regular block here, it kind of breaks the connection. It's not really connected. So that's why we need the slab. So do it like that. All right. And then for this area here, you know, you could just cover it up. Whatever material you had before. Doesn't really matter. All right. So now before we cover this up, make sure you get a test to see if it actually works. So it goes down, goes up, works perfectly fine. No jittery lag or anything. So let's just fill the area around it, smooth stone blocks. Like that. Let's try to operate the gate entrance. And yeah, that's how you make one of these ramps. Now, if you guys do want to customize this more, maybe you can change the blocks used. Oftentimes, they use this red and white stripe, so let's try doing that. Let's see how that would look like. So I'm just switching this, alternating the colors like that, red and white. Actually, it looks a lot better if it's red and white than just polished andesite. So just lower it down, raise it back up. All right, very cool stuff. And of course, you can use this design to do a variety of tasks. It doesn't necessarily have to be this design. You could do the Bollard method where we're just having these singular sticks like this, and you can actually have a lot of these if you wanted to. And you know, they just operate pretty much the same way, just like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for design. Thanks a lot to Tigahz for help coming up with this. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.